YouTube, we just pulling up, as you can tell.
Man, I like your videos, bro. You putting together a channel a lot, man.
So much.
Keep putting it down, bro. I'm glad you're all right, man.
That's a little deep from right here though.
Oh, the spaceship now, the spaceship.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy YKTV and I'm back with another video. As you can tell, we started off at the gas station. So I just put some oil in it. Well, I ain't putting oil, I just put the transmission fluid in there. I just got my, what else I got? I got a new battery. So today we're gonna go to my first ever car show in my car. But yeah, hello. Hey man, you on the camera, man.
Hey man.
Say something to the camera, nigga.
Hey man. You know what I'm saying? Young is on the scene. You know what I'm saying? Hey man. It's don't stop, man. Every day.
Yeah, you see what's behind me though?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Look at that nigga looking in the car over there. But now look, y'all. So we forgot my first ever car show. Shout out 2 Chainz. He having a little cruise in today, so we're gonna pull up on him. You know what I'm saying? And I'm the youngest in the city, so I'm finna show out today. I'm gonna pull up dirty too. Fuck you, something. I ain't even gonna get the car wash. I'm gonna show y'all something. You know, some of your name good in the city, you ain't gotta worry about everything. And with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna check in on the way there. You dig?
All right, got the pretty lady on the camera doing the video. That's right, that's right. Yeah.
What you think about this old school?
It's looking good, looking good.
It was grab here. Right here, it's grabbing in. That's right. No. This is what we do. We into cars.
Look, I'm in the car too.
Take my number. He's a mechanic. I do interior body.
Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Okay, hey, send me your brother number too. You got the number? Nice meeting you, bro.
Alright, y'all take care, man.
Alright, you too. Be on the road, man. So, be on the road. Gonna go to my brother's house and show him the car, man. See how he like it. Cause y'all seen the people at the gas station having a fit, man. I've been getting so many companies all day, and this junk ain't even nowhere near how it's gonna be. Give y'all some music real quick, man. Let's see what we gonna play today. Let's see what we finna play. We ride, man. So we finally went to go get the brake caliper. We had to go across here. It's been a long day. The brakes are seized up. I unseized the brakes. But we're gonna get this thing done, man. Day of life of an old school owner, you feel me? So with that being said, if you sit down in the shade, then I'm gonna do work, you see? So man, we pulled up to the car wash. We get a quick car wash for this car show. I said I wasn't gonna watch it, but I guess we watched it too. Girl, I got fingerprints all over. Check my car out, man. Check these details up. Ooh, boy, they ain't playing. Look the truck though. Look, y'all. YouTube. So I'm gonna get back to y'all when they start watching my car, and then go from there, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, I finna do some crazy stuff. You know I gotta put it.
Painted and everything. Wheel and all that shit. What kind of motor it got in? It's already detailed.
Yeah, that shit look good, yeah. That been chromed out and everything.
What year is it? 80? You said 79?
Alright, YouTube, so we just got done washing it. He finishing up, as you can see. You know what I'm saying? But look, he finna make a little video of us, and then we gonna head to this car show. So man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see y'all boys at the car show.
You still be here?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, YouTube, we just pulled up to the show. We finna see what it's looking like. We ain't gonna be here too long. I got something to do, but I just want to show y'all a couple cars and stuff like that. So, alright, YouTube, we almost hit. That trying a little deep from right here, though. Hey, that trying a little deep. It's just deep, boy. I'm sure, yeah, we can dig it. Let's see. Now you showing trust. Alright, YouTube, we just pulled up, as you can tell. We're gonna see what they got going on. Hey, they got them Jeep bodies over here. That's car I seen on the white one. I seen that one on the highway. I was trying to catch him. I was giving him the vision. Dang, I would have been a part of the G-body.
Yeah. That would have put you right over
That's
here.
how you walk that slow.
That's
how you-
Yeah.
Easy, huh? That shit was perfect with the Mustang. They turn in right there. That shit
Damn, nigga, everybody. Everybody don't came out this month.
Yeah, I watch your videos all the time, man.
Oh, thank you.
Man, I like your videos, bro. You putting together the bike?
Yeah, I am. I'm putting blue together.
Okay.
I can buy me old school, so I'm glad that's content coming out here too.
Okay.
Yeah.
I watch your channel a lot,
Thank you
man.
so much.
Keep putting it down, bro. I'm glad you're all right, man. All right.
Hey man, shout out to that man, man. You know, that's hard. That's love right there. That makes me feel good. I gotta get that chrome shit, man. Tear, that did look good too. Yeah, hey, let's show. Hey, look, quick camera on me. Hey, real talk. When I get my junk together, I'm gonna have a harder group out here. I took over the bike game. I'm gonna take over this car game. And keep on looking with us. Hey, this right here showing hard. Yeah. Hey, you see this? You see this color? He got the bad match and everything. Oh, you can stop it real quick. You can stop it. Man, I'm gonna give me one, bro. I ain't gonna lie. All right, man. Look good, look good. Hey, this gonna be real here. Let's see. I ain't never seen one of them. Let me look at it. It do look good on wheels though. Oh no, this what's it called? Yeah, Regal. Yeah, Regal look good. Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Look at this.
1979.
Yeah. Hey, this my brother right here. Oh yeah. I gotta throw some rims on my shit. Look at that right there, man. It's hard right here, bro. Man, I love this style. I don't know, maybe because my car ain't how I want it yet. That's probably why I don't want it. See, yeah. Hey, I ain't lie, red and gold might be the way. I might have to do that. Red and gold might be the way.
I ain't got Trans Am on the handle. I ain't just...
Oh, look at the seats. The seats go crazy. Hey man, I'm finna show y'all boys some new school cars on this side, then we gonna go from there. The Z01s. That can sound like mine. Oh, he crank it up. He going too fast. I'll go get him. We got the Lambo out. We got the RCF.
Where your aunties at? Where your uncles at?
I fuck with this though. I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with the Benz. Let's see what else they got out here. We finna check this vet crew out real quick. Yeah, we probably hit the road, y'all. We ain't gonna be too long. It's been a long day. My mama in the car and stuff, so you know how that goes. How did you wear, mama? So the vet crew deep, man. Man, I was mad my mama doing all that and paying her shit already. Hey, out here, man. up with it? Hold it. Oh, the black one out there? Oh, hey, yo.
I think if I go ahead and give me one of these motherfuckers.
But you hear me? They came in deep, didn't they?
I be renting one every time, bitch. I will gotta give me one.
Yeah. I fuck with these. I still fuck with these. Ooh, I had to.
I seen the ZOC. They want 58 for it.
What? That's not bad at all.
Nah, that's what I was saying. Might just go see Saturday.
That nigga shit chopping, boy. You can end that motherfucker. Ooh, he hard, y'all. He hard and he still shit. Oh, Camaro gang coming crazy. Look at the belly, y'all. Ooh, my God. Bruh, that's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one.
Alright.
With the girl. With the girl driving. I'm gonna have to get my mama in the car now. They got another Z28 right here, y'all. See, I just throw some rims and my shit be straight. Oh, he took the AC out and put the TV right there. That's hard. That's hard. Yeah, we can do that too.
I ain't gonna lie, you won't be worried.
Yeah, I'm good. That's straight. Oh, he pro charge. I'm ready to go drive now. I'm ready to go drive now, man. But now, y'all, we finna get back to it. Finna pull up on one of these folks real quick. And then I'm gonna take it on in, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Let's get up out of here.